Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Motorola Moto G14. For that, you want to go to your phone icon here, go to the three little dots, go to settings, and then go to blocked numbers. You can block unknown, so block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or text from blocked numbers. You can also go ahead and add a number if you have a person that you would like to block. You can also go to caller ID and spam and then say see caller and spam ID or filter spam calls. Then these people won't be able to reach out to you as well. So prevent suspect spam calls from disturbing you. So that are the settings you can make. You can just go back and hopefully enjoy the silence. So that's how you can block numbers on your Motorola Moto G14. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.